Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of day 3 nail renovation series. I look a little whack because I was tanning, but as you can tell, the bookshelf is gone. It's gone. So I'm gonna try and move the nail room around by myself because my family is not home. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we can try. So that's Tiger. These chairs need to go right here, and then the nail desk is gonna go right here. So that's what I'm gonna try and do. Okay, let's go. This chair first is gonna go right here. Okay, I take it back. My mom actually wants me to vacuum before I move everything, so we're gonna do that fast. Okay, I just recorded a few parts and they were all in ×3 speed, but the fame is here. We're doing a little rearranging of the chairs because we originally had that chair. Oh my god, Mom. Okay, okay, I'm liking this more. I like this chair in the corner, that chair there. Got all my cords over there. That's a mess. I like this. Okay, we are now trying to untangle this awful mess I've created.
Now it's recording.
Okay, we're getting everything set up. I don't know if you can see. We're also moving this map to the wall behind the chair. And then I'm putting all my decor behind me, so it'll look the same as the old videos. But yeah. Okay, we've got the whole nail desk moved. Now I need to vacuum right here, because this is where the big organizer is gonna go. Okay, so we got this moved here. I'm not taking down all these because I don't want to clean. So, I'm done. This is Okay guys, it is now 9:01 p.m. I'm going to show you a full scan. So of course, this is where the clients come in. Cute family pictures. The cats love this room. That's their bed. Okay, so this is the nail desk. Once again, it used to be right here, but this is the new organizer. It's beautiful. I have all these polishes displayed. I kept my nail lamp here. I took down the shelves, and this is all the polishes in here. These are my new shelves. They're beautiful, and I'm gonna put them behind my nail desk once we move this map. But this is like the lounge area. It's so cute. This room has, oh, of course, Tiger. She's so cute. This room has so much more space now. It feels just more like spacious, you know? And I love it. It's beautiful. So yeah, let me know if you guys want another part of me like decorating more, moving this map, because I very well, sorry, I thought I was in ×3 speed still, but I very well could make another part of me like changing everything, but that is it. Bye guys.